Folks, we're going to be unboxing the BenQ GS50. This is a portable projector that you could use both indoors and outdoors. 500 lumens, can do sizes from about 30 inches to 112 inches. And you damn right I'll be checking that out. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see what's inside. This is really like entertainment in a box because everything is being streamed. The real big requirement, especially if you use this outside, is you need good Wi-Fi. Because if you don't have good Wi-Fi, this thing is not going to work very well. So here we go. We got the opening. Let's do a reveal. Oh, it comes with a nice, oh, it's in the case. Wow. Okay, hold on. Could you imagine you show up to a party and everyone's like thinking you got like a 6-pack in here, but you actually have a projector? Like seriously, way better life of the party if you come with this rather than just a measly old 6-pack. So we'll go ahead and take a quick first look. It's amazing. They've actually got a little bit of extra space here. They didn't make it like perfectly tight. Got a little spot for the controller. We got all of their typical warranty information stuff right here. So I'll just put that aside. Nobody cares about that. We have the power cable. This is the European version. You can just tell from right there. Let's take a look at the controller. They should put a little speaker on this in case you lose it. Very simple Google TV type of controller. I've seen this many times on other BenQ projectors. This is pretty standard. There's no batteries, I can tell, but they always include batteries, so I expect to see that inside here. Let's go ahead and go through all the cables. This is your actual power cable for North America. It's that standard kind right here. You can see that. There's another cable here. Oh, this is the actual power bank to which that other cable connects to. So that's good. They made it. Freaking love this, man. It comes with a case. Oh, here we go. Here's your Android TV. I've always wondered for a long time why they didn't just like embed this technology inside the projector itself. But it looks like it's because in the future, if you do want to upgrade Android TV, you have to do it this way. I would have thought you could just do it over Wi-Fi, but it's interesting that they still make you put a one of these streaming sticks in, or sorry, the dongle. Okay, let's go. I just want to give you a quick look at what the bag looks like. So you have one side for the actual projector and everything else for the power bank and cables. A little bit extra room on the top, so it's not going to be completely stuffed. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. It's got a warning. Hold on, let's read this. Plastic bags can be, oh, for suffocation, yeah. I was a child of the 80s, and that happened all the time. And then they finally decided to put a warning there for parents. Well, this thing is tiny and compact. Wow. Love the color combination here. You got this kind of like green and orange. This right here looks like the speaker grill. Yep. Surround sound by their Truvolo speakers. Got a little handle here as well. Look at that. Screw a 6-pack, man. Show up to a party with this and you will become the life of the party. Just make sure they got Wi-Fi outdoors before you go there. And you can actually get these Wi-Fi signal tests to check the signal without even having to like just stream Netflix on your phone. So here's the GS50 one more time. A very simple, like I said, entertainment in a box. We got some little feet here. Check that out. You can actually mount this right onto your tripod as well. You can imagine a situation where you have like a party and you just want to show photos. You can actually just sit this on a tripod, face it up against a wall, and then show photos. So a lot of versatility. You just got to be creative. And if you have those types of things, oh, I'd be remiss if I didn't open this up. This is going to be all the ports. So we got a headphone jack, USB-C. We have HDMI and also another USB and also, what's this? A lock button. I'll have to find out what that's actually locking up. So I just happen to have a neighbor next door who has a huge projector screen that he made out of plywood. So I will be taking this outside later today. So you want to check out for that review because it's sunny right now and I'm going to wait until it gets evening time before I put this through the test. Also, I have another BenQ projector, the GV30. That one does 720p. It's got like, I think 350 lumens. So we get a back-to-back comparison against 500 versus 350, 720 versus 1080. It's gonna be a cool showdown. So you wanna make sure you watch that video on my channel as well. All right, so here's everything out of the box that you're gonna get with the BenQ GS50 portable projector. And I thought, what better way to show everything than to actually pack it all inside here. So first off, you have the projector itself. I mentioned about these dongles, these Android TV dongles. Now, typically with other BenQ projectors, they had a little slot that you could open up to put that in. That doesn't seem to be the case. Oh, my bad. I didn't even check. Look at that. It does have a slot for the projector. You can see it's got this little rubber ring around it. So this has actually got an IPX2 rating, so the occasional rain shouldn't damage it. So I think that's why you're seeing this little extra bit. But immediately as I took this, it came off. So I'll have to double check on that. Maybe I was just too forceful in opening this. But that's where the dongle goes. So that's a great design feature. I was actually going to criticize it if you had to plug it in the back because you could possibly lose it. So I'll probably have to put this back nicely later. So what I'll do is I'll put this away as if you were doing it. Hold on. Sorry, folks. Give me a second. I'm going to fix this. Okay, I got this closed, kind of. I can already tell this is a big issue. That rubber gasket, I'm just having a hard time getting it back perfectly in place. I don't know if it was supposed to come out like that. But welcome to the world of live unboxings, and you're getting a full-on review as it happens. So I put that inside. The next thing you would do is you would take your power. So you take the power bank and also this one as well. There is a European connection. Oh, here it is. There is a European one, but because I'm in North America, we don't need that. You probably would just carry this. Put that in. As I mentioned before, I thought it had batteries, and it does because all the BenQ ones come batteries. So we'll put that inside. And then you have your dongle, except this is going to be out of the box. It'll be inside the unit itself. So you actually do have quite a bit of room. You know, a dedicated slot for the controller. I wish it was just a little bit higher. With this case, it's not going to be an issue once it's closed. But it kind of looks like it's vulnerable sitting up there a little bit high, but it's not. The way that the case is designed, it'll close. But I like that fact that you do have ample room inside here. In case you want to bring some other stuff with you, you still have that room. So this is cool. You want to go and check the review of this. Right now outside, it is pretty sunny, but I'm going to go next door to my neighbor who has a DIY built projector screen in his backyard, and we're going to test this. Also have the BenQ GV30 projector, and we're going to go head-to-head. That one's a 720p. This is 1080p. 350 lumens versus 500 lumens. The showdown is going on tonight. I napped for this, okay? So I'm staying up late to put this stuff for the test. So you want to watch that other video. But this concludes the unboxing of the BenQ GS50. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Leave your comments about this. Anyone has this? Did you have an issue with that gasket? Let me know. Or was that just like a one-time fluke incident of what happened there? But we'll have to find out. So leave your comments below, subscribe, and like this video. Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. See you again next time.